In the realm of joint health, the right combination of ingredients can make a significant difference in maintaining mobility and reducing discomfort. This guide delves into the key ingredients found in many high-quality joint health supplements, explaining how each one contributes to joint care. Natural eggshell membrane, NEM. Description: Natural eggshell membrane, NEM, is derived from the thin membrane inside eggshells. It's a rich source of joint-friendly nutrients, including collagen, glycosaminoglycans, and other proteins essential for joint health. Benefits: Collagen, a crucial component of cartilage, helps maintain the structural integrity of joints. Glycosaminoglycans, these molecules, including chondroitin sulfate, contribute to the lubrication and cushioning of joints. Proteins essential for tissue repair and regeneration. Scientific backing: Studies have shown that NEM can reduce joint pain and stiffness, improving flexibility and overall joint function. Its natural composition also makes it highly bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Turmeric root, Curcuma lana. Description: Turmeric root is well known for its vibrant yellow color and use as a spice. Its active compound, curcumin, is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Benefits: Anti-inflammatory: curcumin inhibits various molecules that play a role in inflammation, helping to reduce joint pain and swelling. Antioxidant: curcumin also acts as an antioxidant, protecting joint tissues from oxidative stress and damage. Scientific backing: extensive research has demonstrated curcumin's efficacy in managing symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. It helps decrease markers of inflammation and oxidative stress, which are critical in managing chronic joint conditions. Boswellia Serrata extract. Description: Boswellia serrata, also known as Indian frankincense, is an herbal extract from the Boswellia tree. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat inflammatory conditions. Benefits: Anti-inflammatory: boswellic acids, the active compounds in Boswellia, inhibit enzymes that cause inflammation and breakdown of cartilage. Pain relief: helps reduce the pain associated with joint conditions like osteoarthritis. Scientific backing: clinical studies have shown that Boswellia serrata extract can significantly reduce pain and improve physical function in people with osteoarthritis and other inflammatory joint diseases. It works by inhibiting the synthesis of pro-inflammatory enzymes. Glucosamine. Description: Glucosamine is a naturally occurring compound found in cartilage. It's often used in supplements to support joint health and repair. Benefits: Cartilage repair: promotes the production of cartilage and synovial fluid, which are essential for joint movement and flexibility. Anti-inflammatory: helps reduce the inflammation associated with joint damage and arthritis. Scientific backing: research supports the use of glucosamine in reducing symptoms of osteoarthritis, including pain and stiffness. It helps slow the progression of joint degeneration by supporting cartilage repair. Chondroitin sulfate. Description: chondroitin sulfate is a component of human connective tissues found in cartilage and bone. It's often paired with glucosamine in joint health supplements. Benefits: Cartilage support: helps maintain the structural integrity of cartilage, providing resistance to compression. Pain reduction: has been shown to reduce joint pain and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis. Scientific backing: numerous studies have demonstrated that chondroitin sulfate can help reduce pain and improve joint function in people with osteoarthritis. It works synergistically with glucosamine to enhance cartilage repair and reduce inflammation. Methylsulfonomethane, MSM. Description: MSM is an organic sulfur compound that is found naturally in plants, animals, and humans. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Benefits: Anti-inflammatory: helps reduce inflammation and pain associated with joint conditions. Cartilage support: contributes to the production of collagen and glucosamine, essential for healthy cartilage and joints. Scientific backing: studies have shown that MSM can improve symptoms of osteoarthritis, including pain and physical function. It works by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the joints. Incorporating joint health supplements into daily life. Joint health supplements rich in beneficial ingredients like natural eggshell membrane, turmeric root, Boswellia Serrata extract, glucosamine, chondroitin sulfate, and MSM can play a pivotal role in maintaining and enhancing joint health. Here's how you can incorporate these supplements into your daily routine to maximize their benefits. Daily routine integration. Morning kickstart. Supplements with breakfast. Taking your joint health supplements with breakfast can help ensure consistency. The digestive process is often more active in the morning, aiding in better absorption of nutrients. Smoothie boost. Add your joint supplement, if in powder form, to a morning smoothie. Ingredients like fruits, yogurt, and a scoop of protein powder can mask any taste and make it a convenient part of your morning ritual. Midday maintenance. Consistent timing. If your supplement requires multiple doses, setting a reminder to take it during lunchtime ensures you don't miss a dose. Consistency is key for maximum effectiveness. Hydration partner. Pair your midday dose with a glass of water. Staying hydrated helps maintain joint lubrication and overall health. Evening support. Dinner pairing. Taking supplements with your evening meal can aid in digestion and absorption, especially for fat-soluble components like curcumin from turmeric. Wind down routine. Integrate supplement intake into your evening wind down routine, perhaps after a relaxing activity like yoga or a walk, reinforcing the habit. Activity and fitness synergy. Pre-workout preparation. Joint readiness. Taking your supplement before physical activities can help prepare your joints for the exertion, potentially reducing the risk of injury and enhancing performance. Post-workout recovery. Recovery aid. Consuming your joint health supplement after exercise can aid in recovery, reducing inflammation and supporting tissue repair. This is especially beneficial if your regimen includes high-impact activities like running or weightlifting. Lifestyle integration. Office habits. Desk reminder. Keep a bottle of your supplement on your desk as a visual reminder. This can help you remember to take it during a busy workday. Healthy snacking. Pair your supplement with a healthy snack, such as nuts or fruit, during your afternoon break to maintain energy levels and support joint health. Travel companion. Portable packaging. When traveling, opt for portable packaging of your supplements to maintain your routine. Individual sachets or pill organizers can be convenient. Consistency on the go. Integrate your supplement intake into your travel schedule, whether you're on a plane or at a hotel, to maintain consistency and ensure you don't miss a dose. Holistic approach. Balanced diet. Nutrient synergy. Complement your supplement intake with a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals that support joint health, such as vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Anti-inflammatory foods. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods like berries, fatty fish, and leafy greens to enhance the supplement's benefits. Regular exercise. Joint-friendly activities. Engage in low-impact exercises such as swimming, cycling, and yoga to maintain joint flexibility and strength without adding undue stress. Strength training. Include strength training exercises to support muscle mass around the joints, providing additional support and stability. Adequate rest. Sleep routine. Ensure you get adequate sleep, as rest is crucial for the body's repair processes, including joint and cartilage repair. Relaxation techniques. Practices like meditation and deep breathing can reduce stress and inflammation, further supporting joint health. Joint health supplements harness the power of these natural and scientifically backed ingredients to support joint function, reduce pain, and improve overall mobility. By understanding the benefits and scientific support for each ingredient, individuals can make informed decisions about their joint health regimen. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications.